Are piny China, jatend piny William Ruto norwaki kendo romo kod jotelo kata jatend pinyno Jinping. Ikindego piny Kenya kod China nochweyo kogno ogirimiti mopogore mabiro bero chala ahinya to mar ohala e kind pinje ariyogo. Chenro mar chweyo kogno ne oyuorie kod jotend migepe Musalia Mudavadi kanyakla kod jatend migawo mar weche tudruok William Kabogo. Motelo ne ma, Ruto nyowacho ni omanyo yore mag neno ni piny Kenya nyalo yudo godo sir kowuok kuom joket mwandu kod pinje mamoko kaka yorno mar chwalo dongruok.
Eco-friendliness, peace, South. Thank you. That concludes my offer.
Madam Amma, thank you very much. It is very rare to get compliments from Kenyans. Let me just explain to you why sometimes people find it easy to go to Uganda or Tanzania for purposes of getting goods and services to this country. It is exactly the problem I want to solve by signing the bilateral labor agreement. You know, the difference between us and our neighbors is that Kenya is in the middle income category. Our neighbors, Tanzania, Uganda, and all the other neighbors are in the least developed countries. They are in LCDs, LDCs, and we are in the other countries. So we are categorized higher than them, and therefore, while they export duty-free, Kenya exports with duty.